Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. This is the Python mentor here showing you how to master Python step by step. In today's lecture, we're going to be looping over a dictionary here. You might think it's very easy to do it, and yes, Python makes it easy, but it's good to understand why we do it the way we do it. Let's go ahead and create a function here to list the contacts. Okay, and the reason why I keep writing this over and over again instead of copy and paste, guys, is because I want you guys to do the same thing as I'm doing right now. I want you to follow me in these lectures, all right? So let's go ahead and create something really nice here, like a little print statement. Maybe we'll put some assignments and just say contacts here. Some of these symbols here will make it look nice. All right, now we can loop through a dictionary the same way that we loop through a list, but we have some caveats. There are some caveats here. So for example, if I wanted to take, let's say if I wanted to loop through this, I can say for item in contacts, right? What do you think I'm gonna get when I do this? Let's print the item here. What do you think is gonna happen when I do this? Remember that a dictionary has keys and values. Right now, this array here, or this, not array, I'm sorry, this loop here is looping and getting only one item. What item you think is going to get? Let's go ahead and execute this, and you're gonna see in a minute. Well, actually, first of all, let's go and call this function since I forgot to do it. And let's pass in contacts. All right. All right, let's go here and let's put this bigger. You can see now that we get Brian and Jose, of course, right? It sees this big dictionary, right? The main dictionary, and it loops through the first keys and that's it. Doesn't do anything else. Now, in Python, of course, we could have something like this. We can say key and value here, right? We can print both of them out, right? And then here, if I do this and I go ahead and do that, then you can see that it says too many values to unpack. Okay? Now, what's happening here, all right? Python failed because it's trying to split a single key, okay, into two variables, into key and value. That's what it's trying to do. It's looping through this, but it's only getting one key out, one variable, right? This one key, and it's trying to make it into two variables. Not good. So what we can do is we have this method called items. And this is going to give us the keys and values from that dictionary. So Python can actually loop through everything successfully. So now we save it and we go and do this. You can see now that I'm getting Brian and Jose. We're getting the key out at least, right? Look at that, Brian and Jose. Now I can also get the value out, right? And display this, just like that. And you can see Brian with the values. We get the value out, which is the whole dictionary. Jose, the whole dictionary. So we're doing good here, right? Looking nice, all right. So let's go ahead and modify this a little bit and make it look nice, right? So let's go ahead and do this. Let's do key. And then here, what I'm going to do, I'll do data. We'll do naming here. As a matter of fact, hold on. Let's just change this to data. Let's actually change this to value. That's fine. Let's leave it there like that. So that way you have an understanding of what's going on here a little bit better. All right. So we have that. Let's put a pipe here and let's do a couple more right here. And let's do one more here. All right. So we got the name. We'll get the phone number out and we get the email out just like that. Okay. So now if I execute this, you can see that we're getting all the information from Brian. The name, the phone number, and the email. Of course, you can make this even prettier by putting what this is about, right? Right here. We can actually have the key in here and in here, right? Nah, not really. Don't want to do that. But you get my point, right? You can say phone number here, and you can put, sorry about that, and this here would be the email. There we go. And you can see it there a little bit cleaner, right? Looking good. This data is looking really awesome. All right, so now the dictionary here, this is the way that we are supposed to be looping through dictionary using this items method. Now we do have other methods like keys. We have a method called keys here like this. And we also have a method called values like this. So I urge you to explore those if you want, but my job is done here, guys, and thank you so much. I'll see you on the next lecture where we're gonna be keep mastering dictionaries and anything that has to do with Python. Guys, if you liked the video, if it was helpful to you, please like it, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next lectures.